So right now we are doing a full engine revamp. Since last time we pulled out the bike, pulled out the engine so we can have access to the crankshaft. So our crankshaft had a little problem. We changed the connecting rod some times ago, and during the change it changed the balance of the entire this tool that is going to the magnetor, and this one that handles rotation to the the fiber housing. So that causes forced movement on the motorcycle. So also we decided, okay, let's also change other things too. Decided to change our block. So the block engine, the piston already carried the highest piston size. Here we call it standard plus plus. So we're deciding to buy a new block too and also change that. So let's know we're doing a full engine revamp. So then, because of the wobbly movement of our crankshaft, it ended up damaging our coil to a very high extent. If you look at this, the whole rubber covering here is gone. The coil is still working, it starts, but it trips off sometimes. So I think the coil is probably broken somewhere. Well, I don't know about coils, so I decided to buy a new coil for the engine. So we managed to get a new coil for the engine, so we will not have problem from the coil. So we have a new engine block. It came with a new piston though, which is nice. So we'll be fitting all this with all its rings and all that. These are the rings. We'll be fitting that. So we'll be cleaning up the valves. We'll be cleaning up the valves, we'll be grinding the valves and cleaning them up and changing the valve oil seal for that. So all these are the packings for the block and also the top cylinder. So this is the engine. From the last time, the engine was giving me problem because I pulled out this whole gear, so I found it out setting it back. So I think now I already know how to set it. I know the arrangements. Right now is on no gear is selected. So if this rotation does not happen naturally, which means the setting of the gear is wrong. So if I'm not mistaken, this should be 1. So you see rotating over this. So let's go back to neutral. So we've already got the setting of the gear. So today we'll be coupling the entire motorcycle and bringing it back to speed. So the only thing that will be left is my shock absorber. Later we'll fix that one. But for now, let's see how we can get the